Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish masala. First, ensure your fish is thoroughly cleaned and cut into appropriate pieces, about 2 inches each. Next, gather all your spices such as turmeric, chili powder, and ginger garlic paste, along with fresh ingredients like onions and tomatoes. Finally, prepare a vibrant marinade using a blend of spices and a touch of lemon juice, ensuring it's ready for the fish. Now it's time to infuse your fish with incredible flavor. Take your prepared marinade and generously apply it to each piece of fish, ensuring every surface is thoroughly coated. This step is crucial for a tender and flavorful result. Let the fish marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time, ideally in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. With the fish marinating, let's build the heart of our masala. Begin by sautéing your finely chopped onions in a pan until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Then, add a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, cooking it until its aromatic fragrance fills your kitchen. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes and a blend of powdered spices, simmering until the mixture thickens into a rich, flavorful base. The final steps bring everything together for a truly delicious meal. Carefully place your marinated fish pieces into the simmering masala base, ensuring they are partially submerged. Cook gently, allowing the fish to absorb the rich flavors until it is tender and fully cooked through, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and serve your homemade fish masala hot with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.